Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Goju Ryu Karate series. I'm Olga Lucia, and I'm thrilled to have you join us for our fourth class today. If you've been following along, you already know we've covered some essential techniques in the first three classes, including our basic stances, punches, and blocks. Today, we're stepping it up a notch. We'll focus on mastering important kicking techniques and introduce you to the exciting world of sparring while ensuring we maintain safety and respect. So, let's dive right in.
Warming up is the foundation of injury prevention. Karate training is physically demanding. It requires your body to be prepared for intense movements. Warming up properly is crucial to prevent injuries. A good warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and prepares your joints for action. Think of your muscles like rubber bands. A cold rubber band is more likely to snap when pulled hard. Warming up is like stretching and warming up the rubber band, making it more flexible and less prone to breaking. Start with some light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. This will get your heart rate up and loosen up your muscles. Next, do some dynamic stretches, such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Dynamic stretches involve movement, which helps to improve your range of motion and prepare your body for the explosive movements in karate. Revisiting the basics is essential for progressing to more advanced techniques. Let's revisit two fundamental punches and blocks. First, the jab. The jab is a quick, straight punch thrown with your lead hand. It's used to gauge distance, create openings, and set up more powerful strikes. Next, the cross. The cross is a powerful punch thrown with your rear hand. It travels across your body, generating power from your hips and legs. Now, let's move on to blocks. The high block protects your head from high attacks. To execute it, raise your arm with your elbow bent and your forearm angled upward. The low block defends against attacks to your lower body. Perform it by bringing your arm down with your elbow bent and your forearm angled downward. Expanding your arsenal with the front kick, known as Mei-jeri in Japanese, is a versatile technique in Goju Ryu Karate. It's a powerful kick that can be used offensively and defensively. Step 1. Begin in a fighting stance with your knees slightly bent and your hands up to protect your face. Step 2. Raise your kicking leg, bending your knee and bringing your heel towards your glutes. This is the chambered position. Step 3. Extend your leg forcefully, pushing off your standing leg and snapping your hips forward. Aim for your target with the ball of your foot. Step 4. Retract your leg quickly back to the chambered position. Step 5. Return to your fighting stance, ready to attack or defend. The power of Kiai, a sharp yell or shout, is an integral part of martial arts practice. It's not just about making noise, it's about focusing your energy and spirit into your techniques. Imagine gathering all your strength into one point and then releasing it with a powerful shout. That's the essence of Kiai. It helps you generate more power in your strikes and strengthens your core. Beyond the physical benefits, Kiai also has a psychological impact. It can startle your opponent, giving you a split-second advantage. It also helps to build your confidence and overcome fear. Section 5. Stepping into sparring control, respect, and learning. Sparring is an essential part of karate training. It allows you to apply your techniques in a controlled environment and develop your timing, distance, and reflexes. Remember, sparring is not about hurting your partner. It's about learning and improving together. Always treat your training partners with respect and control your techniques. Start slowly and focus on technique over power. As you gain experience, you can increase the intensity and speed of your sparring sessions. Section 6. Distance and defense, the art of not getting hit. In sparring, distance management is crucial. It's about maintaining a safe distance from your opponent while being close enough to strike when the opportunity arises. Practice moving in and out of range, using footwork techniques like sidesteps and shuffles. This will make you a more elusive target. Equally important are defensive moves. Blocks are your first line of defense, but don't forget about head movement and dodging. By combining these techniques, you can create a strong defense and avoid getting hit. Section 7. Combining techniques, flow and precision in motion. Now let's combine some of the techniques we've learned into two basic combinations. Combination 1, jab, cross, front kick. Start in your fighting stance. Throw a quick jab to gauge distance and distract your opponent. Immediately follow up with a powerful cross, aiming for their center line. While your opponent is recovering, launch a front kick to their midsection. Combination 2 block, sidestep, roundhouse kick. Imagine your opponent throwing a right straight punch. Execute a high block to deflect the punch. As you block, take a quick sidestep to your right, moving outside your opponent's line of attack. With your opponent off balance, deliver a roundhouse kick to their body or head. Section 8. Balance and control. The cornerstones of effective sparring. Balance and control are paramount in sparring. Without them, your techniques will lack power and precision, and you'll be more vulnerable to counterattacks. Maintain a low center of gravity and avoid overextending your punches or kicks. Always return to your stance quickly after each technique. This will help you stay grounded and ready to react to your opponent's movements. Remember, sparring is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, conserve your energy, and focus on executing your techniques with precision and control. Section 9. Cooling down and reflecting, concluding your training session. After a strenuous training session, it's important to cool down properly. This helps to prevent muscle soreness and allows your body to recover. Perform some light stretches, holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Focus on your major muscle groups, such as your legs, back, and shoulders. As you cool down, take a few moments to reflect on your training session. What did you learn? What areas do you need to improve on? This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and set goals for your next training session. Section 10. The journey continues. Setting goals and embracing consistent practice. Mastering Goju Ryu. Karate is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. Set realistic goals for yourself and break down your training into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to ask your instructors and training partners for help. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process. Karate is a challenging but rewarding martial art that can benefit you physically, mentally, and spiritually. Embrace the journey and never stop learning.